Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Jobless Adventures. So today the weather is kind of bad, so I cannot go for a ride to calm my spirits down. So what are we going to do instead? Well, you don't just ride your bike 24/7. You got to take care of it sometimes. Give it like some TLC, some wash, some polishing. So I'm going to show you how it's done on the setting that it's an apartment parking lot. Yeah, I'm going to show you how it's done on an apartment parking lot. And well, why am I doing this? Well, when you're kind of feeling stressed out, kind of sad from all the stresses in life, taking care of something actually helps relieve that stress a little bit. Yeah, and you just remember, as you take care of things, they last longer. So you'll be paid in kind when your bike, just looks fresher for longer. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we should bring to start the washing process, that is. So what are the things that you will need? So I use a pail of water, of course just half a pail, so that it's lighter and easy to carry. I'm kind of lazy person after all. Anyways, you need a cleaning cloth, a spray gun, 2 batteries just in case you take more time than you initially thought, and there's a soap bottle. This is a soap bottle extension that comes with the water jet. It's all stock, of course, and this is the hose that connects from this bad boy to here, and from here to the water. It's just a simple setup basically, and with this simple setup you can wash all your cars and bikes so easily. And if you notice just now, the water jet that I'm using is not even branded. It's kind of like AliExpress, Alibaba, Shopee, whatever stuff. China. It's just cheap as water jet, and it has lasted me over a year now, so no complaints. It's pretty cheap as well. It's like around $100 for the gun with 1 battery, so additional battery is gonna cost you about $30 to $40. So not bad at all. The glasses are not bad too. And there goes my neighbor with his Bullet 350.
Bruh.
Extension hose. And also the nibble. This is the tip of the water jet. And with that, we can now do some cleaning. Sounds like a drill. I do kind of think that it's a converted drill with similar batteries. Who knows? Alright, now that the gun is fully assembled, it's not really a gun, guys. It might kill, I don't know. But I'm just going to give you a rundown of what I do when I normally wash my bike. So first of all, as the bike rests or go through the elements of nature, a lot of things are going to stick to the surface that you don't want. Sand, dirt, things like this can cause rust in the long process, especially when your place is humid enough. So you're gonna give it, first of all, what I do, water jet it first time, just spray with clear water. And secondly, soap. Third, hand brushing. Fourth, another round of just water. And five, a final wipe down. Sounds easier, right? It is. Let's get to it. It's not hard. Oops, I just dropped my phone. So what I like to do is like cars. We go from top to bottom. Okay. So from the top, from the tank to the seat, to side panels, to the engine, and then to the exhaust. And repeat on the other side. Ooh. This is crucial as well. This is where the air cooler is, and don't know if you guys can see this. That's where my rectifiers is. I moved it from the back to the front with the help of some mechanics because, well, in that way the Royal Enfields are very known to have rectify issues. This will alleviate a lot of it. And now it's soap time. Yeah. This is the soap bottle extension that comes with the water jet gun. So if you're buying a water jet yourself, make sure it comes with this little ball, and basically you just pull it, the foreskin back a little bit, and it connects like that. It's not doing it. Shouldn't make any sound effect, but if it does, get it changed immediately. Right, let's soap it up. Woohoo! So now that the bike is fully soaked up, as you can see, what we're gonna do is do some elbow grease time. You take your cleaning cloth. So normally I just use one really long one and recycle both sides. One for wet wipe and the other side of the cloth I'm gonna use for dry wipe. So let's get to it. So I like to dip a little bit of water, as they call it in the UK, water. So just give it a little dip so that it's a little bit soaking. What we do, I'm going to start from top of the tank. Just get to every nook and crevice. So this will irritate anything, any dust or whatever particles that are sticking on the surfaces, asking them to buzz off. Alright, so that I normally like to do the more sensitive parts of the bike first, like the covers, the tank, anywhere where there's exquisite paintwork that I like to keep in pristine condition, because as you go along and sometimes you forget to change the direction, change the part of the cloth that you're using, it's going to accrue some dust or particles or whatnot, and it's going to scratch up all these sensitive surfaces. You don't want that to happen. So now that the tank and the side panels, the fenders are all good, let's move to the other elements of the bike. Second in priority of keeping it scratch free will be the switch gears, the handlebar, the thing that you look at the most and handles the most. Right, switch gear, side mirrors, and the engine covers, the cam covers. Right, like so. The exhaust, of course, the exhaust. Engine covers. Now I'm still using the top side of the cloth. The bottom side is still dry. The bottom side is still dry, so yeah, I get to use all the parts of the cloth for one go. Okay, so it's quite a simple wash, and just look at the difference already. Ah shit, I forgot to show you the before, and now it's the after, and yes, the paintwork looks exquisite with the same routine all the time. Now we're gonna give it another wash with the water jet to blast off all the soap, give it a final dry. That should be it. Simple, right? Barely takes me an hour. It's worth it. When you take good care of things, they will take good care of you too, one way or the other. Now we're swapping back to the spray head. Like so. And now that we've basically completed step 4, it's time for the final wipe down, and then we'll look at the results of how shiny my bike gotten after the simple wash. It is quite a sweaty process, this is, so brace yourself. Apartments aren't exactly the most friendly, but it's what you make use of it. It's how you use it, yeah. That's the word. So I've been using the top part of the cloth just now. Now we're going to swipe to the bottom of it to get the best wipe. If you have 2 cloths, it'd be nicer. I'm jobless, I can only afford one. So the steps that I take is same as when I was washing it from the sensitive paint areas, and then I move to the not so sensitive areas, just like that. Okay. Now is the meter cluster, the handlebar, the switch gears, the mirror, and it's the simple things that you can do to actually make it look timeless. Not make it look timeless, to keep it looking timeless, yeah. These are all things that you can really do, and it really doesn't take more than an hour. Unless you are more particular than I am, that's a different story. Now there's not even any need to put the bike on a center stand because I'm not doing the chains today. Just a normal quick wash and wipe down. Keep switching location on your cloth to a dry location, which means it's unused, and you get the best results ever. And normally after I'm done with all the wiping, I'll just turn the key and see if everything is right just in case. But I did not bring my key today. Gosh darn it. It's alright. Now, that's all there is to it. After a quick wash, you have your bike looking spotless and beautiful. The last step is just to let it dry actually. There's a step 6 inherently. After you let it dry, and keep doing this for about a week, I mean like once a week, your bike will thank you in ways that you've never expected it to. Sometimes a dirty connection or a dirty part is what causes things to go haywire. Keeping things clean actually minimizes the risk of something breaking. You take good care of things, and they will take good care of you. That's it for the video today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me what you'd like to see next. How to wash chain, how to polish the bike. No worries. But you have to let me know though. Like, sub, see you next time.